I put some D-stash kits in my shop today from my personal stash of antique ephemera. And as I was going through the old photos, because I wanted to put one or two photos in every kit, I came across two photos that kind of made me a little sad. It was these two right here. And if you look at this one, it's a young, beautiful couple. And obviously they were in love, but look right here, you can tell that somebody tore it right down the middle. And then a little later on you see an older photo of this beautiful young lady. Here's an older photo of her, and it's completely torn to bits. Somebody just shredded this photograph, but then put it back together again. So I'm sitting here imagining the story behind this. Was this young man's heart broken? Did they ever get back together again? What happened? We'll never know, but I would love to rewrite their story. And we're going to call these two Margaret and Max. I'm naming them after my grandparents who were born around this same time, maybe a little older, a little more recent, but still looked like this, and they looked like they were so much in love in their photographs, but they divorced when my father was about 4 years old, and I never knew my grandfather. But my grandmother, in the photos, you can tell that she was just smitten with my very handsome grandfather. So I'm calling them Margaret Fay and Max. And I know a lot of you are fantastic writers. I would love to hear what you think their story is in the comments below. Let's rewrite their story and let's imagine a happy ending for them both.